Well, good morning and welcome back. I've been on vacation for about a week, week and a half, and I'm outside in Patio Row doing a walkthrough. I'm going to harvest some peppers and then I'm going to go inside and see what happened or what's been going on with my garden and maybe do some more harvesting. Okay, here we have the two okra plants that I started from seeds that I got from the Ukraine, and they are pretty loaded. Here, these are huge. I normally don't allow my okra plants to get this big, but since I was out of town, wasn't anything I could do about it. In a couple of days, I'll probably be coming out doing the same thing again, because these two plants are loaded with pods. This plant here is my bell pepper plant, and I have two small ones that I'm going to harvest. Small ones. Okay, we're going to go inside and see what we have inside and show you how the garden looks after being on vacation. Okay, you're looking at my onions, the um, Georgia boy and the white onion as well. They're growing pretty well still. I'm going to go out later on today and give them a feeding. In this green stalk planter, we did have some purple hull peas, but it looks like these have taken a turn for the worse. So I do have a couple, maybe three black-eyed peas planted with them. So the purple hull peas, I'm going to go ahead and remove. Not sure if I'm going to plant anything else in them until the fall planting. But if I do, you will be the first to know. Here looks like two of my collard green plants, Georgia collards, have died. So I'll remove them and let the remaining plant uh, be in the container by itself. Looks like we got some type of bug infestation. So later on, I'll probably come out and spray, and hopefully that will take care of it. Here we have more okra. I now have a total of, I want to say 13 to 16 plants. I have three more inside up underneath the Mars grow light that I'm going to start at some point. And these are loaded with pods as well, so we'll be harvesting those. these plants are loaded. These are the Ruiz okra I got from fellow YouTuber Lazy Dog Farm. Overall, we have a lot of okra, a lot of big pieces of okra at that. I'm going to go over to the cucumber and tomato area and see how everything else is doing there. Hey, these are my tomatoes that I put in different containers after the raised bed that they were in collapsed. While I don't have any tomatoes yet, I do have some flowers, and it looks like they're still hanging on. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed. Hopefully I will get a tomato harvest. Here next to them are my cucumbers, and it looks like something happened to them when I went on vacation. So I'm going to harvest what I can, and I'm going to let the plant go. And I have some other cucumbers, a variety called Katrina, that I have under the grow light, and I'm going to bring them out sometime soon and plant them, but I will not be planting them in this particular container. I'm going to let this container rest and use it again probably in the fall. Well, this is an oddly shaped cucumber. I haven't seen one like that before, but looks like it'll be okay to eat. Okay, behind you are another tomato plant that I have, and in front of them I have two more. This one is really taking off and growing. Hopefully I will have some type of harvest in the upcoming future. The other two, they're still relatively small, but they are growing, so we're keeping our fingers crossed and hopefully we'll get something. These are two more okra plants that I already took the okra off of, and they're doing good. These are my black-eyed peas that I started from grocery store seeds. They are flowering, and once we get to the flowering stage, we should start getting peas soon. So keep my fingers crossed on this as well. Here's the overall harvest for today, and I'm quite happy with it. Got a real good variety of okra. We got some cucumbers, we got bell pepper, and we got hot peppers. Give the glory to God, and I'm sure I'll be thinking of something to do with it. If you guys have any ideas, shoot me a message in the comment section of the video, and maybe I'll use it. So I want to thank you for coming along with me on this quick harvest. If you like the video, give me a big thumbs up. I can grow a lot of vegetables and plants by myself, but I can't grow the channel without your help. For those of you that are watching that are not subscribers, please consider doing so. If you do subscribe, go ahead and hit the like and notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. If you're interested in any of the seeds or materials used in the video, you can head over to my Amazon storefront or my website. The addresses are listed in the description portion of the video. And until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed until next time.